Hello everyone and welcome back to Smart English Talks, the place where you don't just learn English, you transform your life. Today is not just another episode. Today is the beginning of a journey. The 30 Days English Challenge. In the next 30 days, you can go from I can't speak English to I can speak with confidence, but only if you take this seriously. So take a deep breath, focus your mind, and let's begin your transformation. Music fades out slowly. Part 1. What this challenge really means. Let me be very honest with you. This challenge will not make you perfect, but it will make you confident, consistent, fearless. And these three things are more powerful than perfect grammar. Most people fail not because they are weak, but because they quit too early. This challenge will train you to not quit. Part 2. Reset your mindset. Before you start learning English, you must reset your thinking. Stop saying, my English is bad, I can't speak, I am not ready. Start saying, I am learning, I am improving daily. I will not stop, because your brain follows your belief. Strong mindset equals fast progress. Part 3. The 5 Golden Rules. If you want real results, follow these rules strictly. 1. No zero day. Every day you must practice, even 10 minutes, but never zero. 2. Speak every day. Speaking is not optional, it is necessary. 3. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Repetition creates fluency. 4. Don't fear. Mistakes are your teachers. 5. Stay consistent. Consistency is more important than talent. Part 4. Your daily action plan. Here is your simple daily routine. Listening, 20 minutes. Speaking, 20 minutes. Vocabulary, 10 words. Writing, 5 to 10 sentences. Total, 1 to 2 hours daily. You can adjust time, but never skip practice. Part 5. Week 1. Day 1 to 7. Building the foundation. This is your starting point. Focus on basics. What to do. Learn simple sentences. Practice daily routine. Listen to slow English. Example sentences. I wake up early, I drink water, I study English. Goal, speak basic English without fear. Part 6. Week 2, day 8 to 14. Confidence level up. Now you build confidence. What to do? Ask simple questions. Answer in full sentences. Practice conversations. Example. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you like? Goal. Start real communication. Part 7. Week 3, day 15 to 21. Real life practice. Now you move to real situations. Practice. Talking in a shop. Talking with friends. Talking about your day. Goal, use English in daily life. Part 8. Week 4, day 22 to 30. Full transformation. This is your final stage. What to do? Speak for 1 to 3 minutes. Tell your story. Share your opinion. Goal, speak freely and confidently. Part 9. A perfect daily example. Let's imagine your day 5. Listening. You listen to a simple English story. Speaking. You repeat sentences and speak your own version. Vocabulary. You learn 10 new words. Writing. You write your daily routine. That's your full practice. Part 10. Powerful learning techniques. Use these techniques. Shadowing. Repeat after audio. Speaking in mirror. Thinking in English. Recording your voice. These will boost your progress fast. Part 11. What if you feel lazy? You will feel lazy. Everyone does. But don't stop. Do minimum practice. 5 minutes listening, 5 sentences speaking. Small action keeps momentum alive. Part 12. Practice with others. If possible, talk with friends, join online groups, practice on social media. Communication equals real growth. Part 13. Trust the process. You may not see results in 3 days, or even 7 days, But if you continue, day 10, you feel better. Day 20, you feel confident. Day 30, you feel changed. Part 14, after 30 days. If you complete this challenge, you will speak basic English, understand simple conversations, build daily habits, gain confidence, and most importantly, you will believe, I can do this. Part 15, final challenge for you now. I challenge you. Start today, not tomorrow. Say this loudly. I will complete 30 days English challenge. And write in comment. Day 1. Start at part 16. Final words. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar. You don't need expensive courses. You only need practice, consistency, courage. And one powerful decision. Never give up. Emotional outro music begins. Thank you for listening to Smart English Talks. Your journey starts today, and I will be with you every step. See you in day 2.